Alright, so I had some people asking to see the Pioneer 700 with the Denali plow with the hydro turn in action, plowing. So this is going to be a quick video of plowing some snow. There's only a couple inches of snow out here. We got mostly ice out of this storm, but I'll get to put it to use. So depending on how you look at it, this may not have been the best time to show you what the plow can do, because this snow has so much ice in it, it's causing the plow to jam up. When it was just snow, I was easily pushing it up and down my 800-foot driveway. Then again, maybe it's the best way to show you, because it's probably the worst case scenario. Braking your side by side. State of emergency in the county that I live in, because we had a really bad ice storm last night. And actually, if we look over here, look down the road, you can just see there's just one tree. We got really lucky though, because it's like 80% of the county is without power right now, and we actually kept power. It flashed a bunch, like we were going to lose it. But we were one of the few people who actually had our power stay on. Clean up the road. I've actually already been through here with a plow this morning. So my Honda soft doors here on another note, and then the wiper, did an installation video on that, which I don't really need today, but I got my heater going on low. It's putting out nice warm heat. So I'm in here and just, it's like 20 degrees outside, and I'm nice and warm in the cab of my 700. I could do this all day. Like I said, people wanted to see the plow in action. That's about all I'm going to be able to do for you today. These conditions aren't really ideal to show you the plow. It pushes snow great. The 700 has plenty of power, even with a 72-inch plow. It's just, my problem today is there's so much ice underneath that it's binding the plow, and I'm slipping and sliding and not getting traction even in four-wheel drive. So you got to kind of work with what you got. But until next time, we'll see y'all later.